talk about tornadoes. Where I live, it's pretty common to have tornadoes. They can happen on, like, a slight breeze can turn into a tornado, or in this case, breezes that can make you fall down completely. So that's why, not in my regular branch, I'm on in between the three splits. See that? That's the one, first split, second split, third split. Yeah. So I'm sitting in the middle of them so I can be nice and safe and not get freaking destroyed by the wind. So yeah, it's pretty cold outside right now. And the wind is going, most likely there's going to be a tornado. So tornadoes are when wind speeds get really high and they start spinning around in circles. Like when you see the leaves picking up and then they start spinning. That's as simple as that can turn into a tornado. So that might happen, and then the next thing, it's a good example because it's like that, but the wind speeds are way higher and can pick up more than just leaves. It can pick up humans, houses, everything. So if you have a basement, go into the basement. But if there's like something under the stairs that you can go to, under any type of stairs, that's the next safest place. And make sure there's no windows in that, because windows can break open and then then all the wind can start going and spinning you around in your house. So make sure you're in a part that's really like underground or very low to the ground. And if you don't have a basement, and if you don't have a cellar, go under some stairs. Under some stairs is really safe because it's under something hard and sturdy. And the wind can pick up pretty much anything at this point. It can also take down trees. If it doesn't take down a house, it can take down a tree that collapses. But it doesn't exactly have to kill you. I've lived through millions of tornado warnings and watches, and I'm fine. My house is fine, even though I just moved. So, I am perfectly fine. You don't really have to be scared. Because in some places they're very unlikely, and in some places they're not too extreme. And a lot of times the tornado doesn't exactly. Yeah, this is pretty much the talk about tornadoes. And I'm here probably a wind speeds that can go to a potential tornado. So most likely there's going to be a tornado where I'm living. So this is today's video. And yeah, the tornadoes can shake even the sturdiest of trees. Like, look at this tree. It's shaking like crazy. Look at all of it. It's going crazy, and it can even push down humans. And almost pissed me off that branch. I'm sitting behind one because the wind direction is going into my face, and this is the safest spot I could be in because if the wind blows, it just blows me closer to the branch. So that was today's video about tornadoes. Leave a like and comment down below if you like or hate tornadoes, and tell me if you have any tornado experiences. So this is pretty much the end of the video, and be safe if there's ever a tornado. Hurricanes are basically like tornadoes, but with the water involved. They can do horrible floods and completely, utterly crash houses. That's basically a hurricane. They're not common where I live, just tornadoes. So anyway, that is our talk about tornadoes. Leave a like, comment down below if you like or hate tornadoes, and if you have any crazy experiences with tornadoes. That was this video about tornadoes, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye!